Hi, I'm LuAnn Greene. I'm a registered nurse and an eating psychology coach. Through this training, I have really found it impacted my personal life. My relationship with food has changed. It's become, I think, much healthier, much more aware. I think it's really motivated me as well to be an example to my clients. I think that dealing with the issues that are underneath, one of my clients said what I had helped her with was to pull the hurt out and to put it in perspective, and that's actually what I think I have done as well. Mark David has a way of inspiring you and sharing things and putting it in a way that you can present it to people. It's different, it's inspiring, it's loving, it's genuine, it's positive, and that's what I loved about the training, and I think that's what my clients really feel from me, and I think that's why it's been successful. This training isn't just about eating in the food, it's about what's underneath it. One of my clients said that the greatest thing that I had taught her was self-awareness, and it was okay to love her body. And I think even for myself, I love my body much more, and she learned to love her body, and it was so fantastic to watch her bloom. You know, I am really just the fertilizer, and that is what Mark David has taught us. They do the growing, they do the work. We don't do the work for them, but we're there to walk the path. We're there to be the coach, the cheerleader. I think that's what makes the difference. The program exceeded my expectations. It was really more than I even expected. When I heard Mark David talk about the program, I was excited, and I thought, yes, that's something I think that could work for people. It certainly sounded like it could work for me. And when I got into the program and heard him teaching, that's when I was surprised. I mean, he is such an incredible teacher, and I have learned so much. He makes, even his own personal story is inspiring. At the retirement community where I work, it has changed the way I approach people. I approach them in a different way. It's kind of hard to put in words exactly what's different. It's just that I have a different baseline, and I'm more focused on self-awareness and self-discovery, going slower, teaching them some of the principles that Mark has taught us, like slowing down eating, like body image, like doing mirror work. All of those things, I slowly introduce that because I'm working in groups. And one of the really neat things is I never really thought I would want 100-pound weight loss clients, because I thought, that's really hard stuff. But that's what the universe gave me, that's what needed to be done, and these two ladies that have like 80 to 100 pounds to lose have become really good friends, and they are helping each other, and they are taking each other swimming, and they're getting some movement, and it's really exciting to see that. I think if I hadn't done the training that I would have been more focused on, oh, you want to lose some weight and this is how we can do it, and these might be some foods that would be helpful. Instead, my approach has been very different from that, getting them to talk. One day I had them make a list of all the things they love in life and trying to get them to go back, what do I love in life? And so it's those specific kind of things, and going underneath weight loss and going underneath food, all the other things that motivate us and make us tick and that affect us, how our relationships with other people and our family and our mothers and our dads. I think that's what has made the difference and why I'm so much different with them.